All right, guys. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Last week we did the dyno test. So today this is gonna be the official first modification for the car, right?
Yes.
So right here behind me we have a ARK grip full exhaust system that's gonna go underneath the car. Um, we're gonna go ahead and put that on to see how much horsepower we're gonna gain, and we're gonna do a before and after, of course, the transition. Right now the car has a OEM exhaust from the factory, but it does have a muffler delete. Um, Honestly, it's not that bad, huh? To be
With the
honest,
muffler delay,
yeah,
it still sounds better than
it sounds
nothing.
yeah. Honestly, I heard so many worse, exhaust systems before, but then I never thought that the factory exhaust with the muffler delete would never sound like this. We'll give you guys the exhaust clip with the factory, and then as well as a clip with the ARK grip exhaust system. Yeah, so let's go ahead and install the exhaust system and see what difference it's gonna make. Let's go. Yeah, so we got the car jacked up. The front is on rams, and then the rear we're actually using 4 jacks just to make sure that nobody's gonna die tonight, right? All right. And then I know it looks kind of dumb, but we ain't got no choice. I don't have a lift. Um, it looks pretty okay to me, so Alright guys, so we're underneath the car right now. So there's this bracket right there holding the exhaust. It's not actually holding the exhaust, it's like a little garden bracket. So we're gonna have to go ahead and get rid of that in order to drop the exhaust. So there's gonna be 4 12mm bolts right there. Once you get that out, you'll be good to go and go ahead and drop the exhaust. So we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of that.
Alright guys, so this is the neck over here. So we were able to remove the undercovers. They were mostly held by 14mm and then sides and flower head screws.
Man, this is not easy, man.
So now it's all cleared out. So the next step it would be to unscrew the oxygen sensors.
Alright guys, so we got the exhaust removed from the catalytic converters. Now we're taking out the O2 sensors. Kind of pretty tight, but you got this.
That's tightening? Oh, don't loosen.
No, it's loosening, yeah. It's moving?
Pretty tight.
Alright. Just give us a second. Alright guys, so we just disconnect the O2 sensors from the front, as you guys can see. Now what we're gonna do is, there's these exhaust hangers right there. We're just gonna hit it with the WD-40, and then this whole thing is just gonna drop, and then we can go ahead and install the new exhaust. Alright, so this is what we got right now. This is the full assembly. This is what it looks like right now. We're just gonna put this underneath the car, make sure the O2 sensor is gonna be hooked up, and as well as the 4 bolts that's gonna go for the catalytic converter, and make sure to hook back the exhaust hangers, and we're all good to go.
Oh yeah, just 1 2 1 2. This a little something for you, you little biatch.
Watch my 9mm go Player haters, masturbators, bitches all up in my shit. Living sketch, you know you dead. Walking around with a cripple, they get me score, try to take my shit. Fuck you with the wrist on kick. MAGNOLIA, that is why your ass was twice, I fuck one more. All cameras hit the front, these fellas in the game. Don't make it, they acting like when the smoke is in my nose, I be moving, get that watch my 9mm go. Watch my 9mm go.